Hi there, this is Meals by Mary. I am so excited to be sharing my first recipe with you. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best and easiest avocado salad. It's so fresh, colorful, and super addictive. You will want to make this all the time. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need 2 ripe avocados, cucumber, cherry tomato, radish, red onion, and bell peppers. You can choose any color that you want or you have in hand. Chop all your veggies into large chunks. And I advise you leave your avocado for last so it doesn't go brown. For the bell pepper, I decided to choose orange, yellow, and red because we want it to be vibrant and colorful. Thinly slice your onion. And last, our avocado. Now for the dressing. Finely chop your parsley. You can also add cilantro if you want. We're gonna add olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, honey, apple cider vinegar, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a clove of garlic. At this point, you can also add salt and pepper to taste. Whisk it really well until it's combined and creamy. Add all your veggies in a bowl and pour your dressing. And that is it. Toss it really well, and you have got yourself a perfect and super tasty avocado salad. You can serve this as is or as a side to salmon, grilled chicken, or lamb chops. In the next video, I'll share with you an easy lamb chops recipe that pairs perfectly with this dish. If you like this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more easy and delicious meals. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.